friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to create this stroke effect in Photoshop. With the background layer selected, make a copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Select and then Subject. Then click on the Vector Mask button. This will mask out the subject. Now go to the text layer and type your text. Fit it into the canvas by adjusting the size. Right click and convert the text layer into a smart object. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now bring the layer to the top. Make the fill value to 0. Now go to the layer style and choose stroke. Here change the color, its size and position to outside. Hit OK. Now click on Alt or Option to create a clipping mask. Click on another text layer along with the Ctrl or Command key to select both of them and then click on the link button below. And that's it, you are done. For more such videos, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.